Hello and welcome to another episode of the Office Hours. In this episode, we're going to be doing another lesson at NetworkLessons.com for Bgp Origin Codes, and we're going to find out what this attribute does. Alright, let's start. The Bgp Origin Code is one of the attributes that is used for path selection. There are three origin codes that the BGP table can show. One is for internal gateway protocol, 2 is for EGP, which isn't used anymore, and 3, one that shows up as incomplete. You will see IGP when you use your networks command for BGP. It means you advertise the network yourself in BGP. EGP is historical, and you won't see it in BGP on the BGP table anymore. EGP is an old routing protocol that we don't use anymore. Incomplete means that you have redistributed something into BGP. So here's a demonstration. And for this, I'm actually not going to create a model in GMS3 because this lesson is really short. And it's pretty straightforward, and we're working with the pretty much the same topology as we have been for the past 2 lectures. So we're not gonna do this time. What the author does is he configures router 1 with BGP or with autonomous system 1, and he also forms a neighborhood relationship with R2 on R2's 192.168.12.2 interface, which is right here. And then with R3, author pretty much does the same thing. Configures the router as participating in AS1 while forming a neighborhood relationship with R2 on its FA1/0 interface. And then at R2, the author mirrors the configuration, so there's nothing really special going on yet. Then first we'll configure BGP. Next up we'll get to the 1.1.1/24 network. So we're back at R1. Looks like R1 has a loopback interface configured as well. So in the statement, R1's going to advertise the 1.1.1.0/24 network out on BGP. Let's see, so where's R1? So R1's right here, and R3 takes a different approach. Instead of using the network statement, R3 is just going to redistribute whatever is connected. So in that case, we're going to see that R3 is going to show up as incomplete. And if it's incomplete, it appears to be less desirable than something that is advertised through the network statement, as you can see here, where there's an I for router 1. In the output above, you can see that R2 learned both networks through BGP. There's one small difference though. The first entry shows a question mark symbol, and the second entry shows an I. Yeah. And looks like that's all there is to it. Alright, thank you for watching. I will start up another stream for the next lesson, which looks like it's going to be on MED.